Hi, it's Dax79 here. I'm getting lots of messages about this helmet from Silent Hill 2, or now Dead by Daylight if you remove this here. Lots of people are making them, which is really good, but no one knows how to see out of them. So what it is, I have simply made some holes just here and here, which I see out of, and then there's lots of other holes around it, which are sort of battle damage holes. Because you've got to remember, the helmet is so close to your eyes that you only need to put tiny little holes to be able to see out of it. You don't need big holes. And what I'd highly recommend is put all the little battle damage holes in the dark shadows of the black paint, not on the red. If you put the holes in the dark, it just looks like a shadow. If you put the holes in the red, it looks like a hole. So what I'll do is I'll take this this filming light and pop it inside the helmet. There you go. So by putting a light inside, you can see all the battle damage holes. And then what I do is I move my head around to see. If you do that, because the holes are so close to your eyes, you can see there's my main two eye holes just there. So there you go. I just wanted to show you how I see out of it. So I look out of these holes here. Inside I have just a little hat. So all I do, I put that on, and I can see you now. No. So I'm going to leave there's one eye, there's the other eye, and then when I do that, I can look out of here. But I can see absolutely fine. Again, thank you for watching this video and all my other Pyramid Head videos. There's lots of you making them and getting ready for Halloween. And so I look forward to seeing your finished products. Remember to pop onto my Facebook, Dax79 Cosplay, give it a like, and also when you're there, send me some pictures of what you're doing. I love seeing other Pyramid Heads out there.